Hey, good morning. Fisherman Barry here. Well, I'm at the Angels Creek arm of New Melones. They did reopen the Angels Creek launch ramp, although it's a bit of a walk from the parking lot to the water. But I launched this morning about 5:30 or so, and so far it's been pretty good. I've got 4 largemouth, all roughly 16 inches, and more spots than I can count in the 12 to 14 inch range. Probably about a dozen, and maybe shook off another dozen. They're all over the place. Weather's really nice. It's cool, but not cold. And it's Monday morning. So I went all the way back to where the creek's coming in, and caught the largemouth all in really shallow, like grass beds, gravel beds, probably up there in the spawning pattern, and just throwing this spinnerbait, kind of ripping it through the grass. So that's worked really well. I tried topwater for a long time when it was calm earlier, but I didn't, no bites, no swipes, nothing, zero. I'm gonna switch to a little jig here in a minute, and maybe off of some of these steeper rock cliffs, like by the time I get over there, and we'll see how it goes. I'll check back in, see how the fishing goes later on. Nice, very nice. Largemouth. We got lay flat, please. All right, 18 incher. I'll take that any day. A little bit better than that 12 incher, but not a lot. Well, I wish some of the adults would come out. Nice. A little beat up looking, but all right. That's 17 inches.
Go for a start with that.